Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin to Electrum wallet. Open Electrum and create or unlock your wallet, then select Receive to generate a Bitcoin address. Copy that address carefully and double-check it matches the QR or text. Next, go to your exchange or sending wallet, paste the address, enter the amount, and send a small test first. I will walk through confirmations, fees, and safety tips step by step. Start by choosing the right address type and creating a labeled receive address in Electrum. Use SegWit for lower fees when supported by the sender. Always compare several characters from the start and end of the address or scan the QR to avoid typos. If unsure, send a small test amount first and confirm it arrives before sending larger sums. Keep your seed phrase secure and offline while you transact. On the sending platform, paste your Electrum receive address into the withdrawal form and confirm the network is Bitcoin only. Review and accept any network fees, and consider setting a custom fee if available to balance speed and cost. Send a small test amount first to verify the process and check Electrum for confirmation progress. After the test succeeds, send the remaining amount and monitor confirmations until the funds are fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.